What is after-sales service for tube mill lines? After-sales service refers to the comprehensive support and assistance provided by LOTOSFORMING to ensure that your tube mill line operates efficiently, reliably, and safely long after installation. It is an essential part of our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. A robust after-sales service package from LOTOSFORMING typically includes warranty coverage. Every tube mill line comes with a 1-year warranty, covering manufacturing defects and technical issues to give you peace of mind from day one. Long-term technical support beyond the warranty. LOTOSFORMING offers 10 years of expert support, including troubleshooting, machine optimization, system adjustments, and remote assistance whenever required. Spare parts supply and replacement. Timely access to high-quality replacement parts is critical for uninterrupted production. We provide essential components such as HF welding and accumulator systems, cutting blades, rollers, CNC machined parts, electrical and hydraulic components, ensuring minimal downtime. Maintenance and preventive care. Regular maintenance services are provided to extend the life of your tube mill line, including inspection, alignment, and performance checks to maintain optimal output. Operator training. LOTOSFORMING ensures that your team is fully trained in operating and maintaining the tube mill line. Proper training reduces errors, increases productivity, and helps operators handle routine maintenance tasks confidently. Upgrades and modernization. Over time, production requirements and technology may evolve. Our after-sales service includes guidance for upgrading or modernizing your system, keeping your line efficient and competitive. After-sales service is not just a support mechanism, it is a long-term partnership. LOTOSFORMING stands by your side from the moment of installation, helping you achieve consistent product quality, reduced operational costs, and uninterrupted production for years to come.